Okay, we're in Kelly paper here. This is kind of an idea of what it looks like in here. Just racks and racks of stuff. You got the Mohawk brand papers right here, Strathmore, Nina's of all types. These are the writing linens, and then they have the cardstocks in a different area. If you have a Kelly paper near you, I'd recommend it. They have a lot of good stuff, and you can test out, or not test out, but they have samples of the different papers like this, and you know, kind of give you an idea. The retail aspect of it is kind of not their bread and butter. They sell mostly to print houses and things like that, but you can get an idea of what these different types of papers kind of look and feel like. Okay, Kelly paper happens to be a victim of all the supply chain problems right now, but here's an example of the card stocks right here. You have CTI, which is the chrome coat, and this is the one that I usually recommend, the 12-point CSI1 here. You have Cougar Digital. I haven't even heard of them, but actually I'm not sure if this is a cardstock here. Lynx, Hammer Mill, Husky Digital, and then you get the Accent here. A lot of people haven't even heard of probably a lot of these, and these change names and companies all the time, so even I'm kind of confused, you know, so what's going on in the paper industry that's so volatile. And here's the Everyday Digital right here. Here's the white uncoated smooth. The one that I've been recommending is the white coated silk, which I don't happen to see right now. And I see the 80-pound cover here. I don't see the 100-pound cover. These ones are only the 18 by 12 inch, so really large here. But if you cut these larger pieces down, you can save a lot of money by going larger, you know, rather than getting the 8.5 by 11